Welcome everybody to this Friday night matchup, Rapids Baseball versus the West Bulldogs. Leading it off for Rapids, it'll be Luke Smith playing shortstop, Dermot Fritsch playing second base, Wade Dutton playing centre field, Nathan Haas catching, Brad Dutton playing third base, Josh Fritsch is in left field, Ryan Fritsch is on first base, Liam Shear is in right field, and Dallas Wakefield is the DH. On the mound for Rapids tonight is Josh Roberts. He is a right-handed thrower. He's made 4 starts. Hello, Josh. He's made 4 starts. He's done 14 strikeouts, rather, in 23 innings and only thrown a very great 1 walk. So it'll be interesting to see what he can pull off and how many innings he can throw tonight.
And we have a strike to start. And he's safely at first base. And a beautiful play there. And that's a walk. That ball hit to left field. Down the rounds. It'll come safely. There's misfield out there. Nathan Haas is going to 3. And standing up safely. And that will be strike 3. Josh Roberts having a dominating performance today. And an error. Liam goes to second. Standing safely at second. And that ball's hit through the gap. That'll bring home Liam. Rapids now have runners on 2 and 1. And that hit will load the bases. Rapids looking in a very good position here with loaded bases and strong batters to come up as well. With loaded bases, it's definitely not a bad thing having Wade Dutton up to bat for you. But that ball's hit high. Catch is made. And he's safe. And that ball, pass ball, by the sounds of it. Runner scores. That ball hit straight. Yes. And another run scores. That's a safe hit, scores another run. Nice hit there by Dallas to centre field. Misfielded by centre field. Run scores. And that is a triple. Oh, sorry, it's an infield home run on the overthrow into the dugout. Scoring Dallas. Dallas clearing the bases there. And that is strike 3. Okay, that ball hits safely through. Okay, we are back. It is the bottom of the 7th. Nathan Hess batting. Rapids lead 10-1. Big hit there by Nate. Oh, I get to use this button. And that was a home run by Nathan Hess.
Nathan Haas, you went 3 for 4 tonight, a home run, 3 RBIs, and a triple and a single. With 2 weeks off, and you respond with a 3 for 4 night. How did it feel?
Oh, mate, you got me all nervous now. I just went back to basics. 70% swings. I had that one at bat where I was trying to just way too hard. Back to 70% swings, and yeah, nice and fluent, mate. It's all good.
To get the final at bat of the game and send it over the fence, how good did that feel?
Oh, tingles, mate. Tingles. Felt good. Finally hit a home run, and first one in like 3 years, so it was nice. It was good.
With the 11-1 win tonight, how did it feel to get that extra insurance run over?
Oh, awesome. One word, awesome. That's all, yeah. Nah, I felt good, mate. That was good. Great club. Good atmosphere. All the boys work hard, so we all work hard, so training's pay off. Yeah,
Will that be the same mindset you go into Sunday's game?
100%. It'll be even more. We've got to keep running. We sort of slowed down there a couple bit in a couple innings. Felt the momentum die a little bit, and then we all started. Dermy got that nice hit. All base running tonight, so be all good. Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries. Yeah, you're fucking good, mate.
Looks like that's called game. Nathan Hess walking it off there. Okay, well, that's it from Rapids. Thank you all for watching.